Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore 11 advanced ChatGPT prompts that will set you apart from 99% of users. With these strategies, you'll not only optimize your ChatGPT experience, but also unlock its full potential for learning, productivity, and creativity. Whether you are looking to master new skills, tackle complex topics, or brainstorm unique ideas, these prompts will help you become a ChatGPT pro in no time. Today, we'll explore the power of advanced ChatGPT prompts. From boosting learning and skill development, to generating content ideas and simplifying complex topics, ChatGPT accelerates your productivity. We'll also dive into using it for career growth and staying ahead of trends. Let's unlock its full potential. ChatGPT is a game changer. Its unmatched versatility allows you to tackle everything from learning new skills to brainstorming ideas and solving complex problems. With incredible speed and efficiency, it saves you time, while continuous feedback helps refine your work. The real power comes from using advanced prompts to unlock its full potential and personalize your experience. Learning a new language is easier than ever with ChatGPT. Imagine having a personal grammar guide at your fingertips. The prompt, "Can you explain the topic and provide instructions on how to apply the rule or concept?" can break down complex language rules. For example, if you're learning Spanish, ChatGPT can explain verb conjugation and give real-life examples like, "Yo hablo, I speak." This not only enhances grammar but also aids practical understanding. Use ChatGPT as your personal quizmaster to reinforce your learning. The prompt, "Give me a short quiz that teaches me topic," helps test your knowledge in a fun, engaging way. It can quiz you on anything from history to complex science topics. This method not only helps with memorization but boosts your confidence in what you've learned. Regular quizzing accelerates retention and understanding. Looking for inspiration to get started with a new project? ChatGPT is your personal brainstorming assistant. By using the prompt, "I'm a beginner interested in topic. Can you give me some beginner project ideas?" you can get tailored suggestions to boost your learning curve. For example, if you're starting in coding, ChatGPT might suggest building a simple calculator app to understand basic algorithms. Sometimes, understanding complex topics requires a simple explanation. ChatGPT can do just that using the Feynman technique, which encourages simplifying concepts to their essence. For example, use the prompt, "Explain this in the simplest terms possible," to break down advanced ideas into beginner-friendly explanations. This approach deepens understanding and enhances memory retention. Sometimes the best way to improve is to face criticism. Use the prompt, "Criticize these titles and convince me why they are bad," to get feedback on your ideas. This is a great way to fine-tune content, improve writing, and develop stronger arguments. For instance, if you're working on blog titles, ChatGPT can suggest ways to make them more engaging and impactful. The Pareto principle states that 80% of results come from 20% of the effort. By using ChatGPT with the prompt, "Can you apply the Pareto principle to help me focus on the most impactful aspects of topic," you can concentrate on what truly matters. For example, in learning to code, the Pareto principle might highlight mastering fundamental concepts like loops and conditionals over complex algorithms. Consistency is key to learning. With ChatGPT, you can create personalized study schedules. By providing your availability and study goals, ChatGPT can craft a balanced plan that includes study time, revision, and testing. This structure not only makes learning more efficient but also builds a habit that leads to long-term success. Are you struggling to come up with fresh content? Let ChatGPT spark your creativity. Use the prompt, "Come up with unique content ideas for topic," to generate unconventional and innovative ideas. For example, if you're creating content on how to go viral on Twitter using AI tools, ChatGPT can suggest strategies like leveraging AI-generated hashtags or conducting AI-based trend analysis. Mind maps are powerful tools to organize thoughts, and ChatGPT can help you create them in seconds. By using the prompt, "Create a mind map on" topic, you can visualize complex concepts. This is perfect for brainstorming ideas, planning projects, or breaking down difficult topics like AI and ethics. Struggling to understand a complicated topic? ChatGPT can explain anything to you like you're a beginner. This approach is perfect for tackling difficult subjects in fields like science, technology, or economics. By using the prompt, "Explain" topic, in simple terms, ChatGPT breaks down concepts into easy to understand language. ChatGPT is more than just a conversation tool, it's your personal learning assistant. By asking for suggestions with the prompt, suggest learning resources for topic, catering to different learning styles. You'll get curated resources across various mediums. Whether you prefer watching videos, listening to podcasts, or reading books, ChatGPT can provide a comprehensive learning toolkit to match your preferred method of learning. Content creation doesn't have to be hard when you have ChatGPT as your brainstorming partner. Whether you're writing blogs, making social media posts, or producing videos, ChatGPT can help with everything from generating unique topics to drafting compelling narratives. By inputting specific prompts, you can rapidly generate quality content ideas that will set you apart. One of the most powerful ways to improve is to receive feedback. ChatGPT can provide real-time critiques on your work, whether it's a piece of writing, an idea, or a project plan. By using prompts like, "Can you provide feedback on this?" you ensure your progress remains aligned with your goals. This dynamic feedback loop helps you grow and perfect your craft. Looking to fast-track your career? ChatGPT can serve as a mentor by providing personalized advice. Whether you are preparing for interviews, seeking job opportunities, or figuring out your next career move, the right prompts can guide you. Use ChatGPT to assess your strengths, weaknesses, and growth areas to build a strategic career plan. Problem solving is an essential skill, and ChatGPT can help you approach it systematically. Whether you are tackling a coding bug or brainstorming solutions for a business challenge, ChatGPT offers instant, structured suggestions. Use the right prompts to quickly dissect problems, identify causes, and discover actionable solutions. Being ahead of the latest trends can give you a competitive edge in any industry. With ChatGPT, you can stay informed about the latest developments in fields like tech, business, and pop culture. Use the prompt, "What are the latest trends in industry?" to access up-to-date insights and make informed decisions that keep you one step ahead. In conclusion, ChatGPT is more than just an AI tool, it's a powerful resource for learning, content creation, career growth, and problem solving. By applying these 11 advanced prompts, you'll tap into its true potential and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you are mastering a new skill, brainstorming ideas, or simplifying complex concepts, these strategies will help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Let's embrace the future of learning with ChatGPT. Thank you all for your time and attention today. I hope you're as excited as I am about the incredible potential ChatGPT holds. Remember, it's not just about asking questions, it's about asking the right questions. Now, go ahead, experiment with these prompts, and see how ChatGPT can help you become better than 99% of users. Good luck.